How will I speak to locals when traveling? For this, you can use the pre-installed Translate app on your iPhone. In the Translate page, you can type or record handy phrases you might want to save in the local language you will need. Once saved, you simply have to press play when you need to use it.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
To have spontaneous conversations, click on the Conversation tab in the app. Here, just press record and say what you want to say, then click play on the translation. If you don't know what language a local is speaking, simply open the menu and select Detect Language. Then once they speak, the app will automatically translate. To translate signs or text, go on camera. Simply take a picture of what needs to be translated, and it'll automatically detect the text and translate. Now you do not need to feel lost and can travel like a local. That's it. Happy travels!